We were rewriting our DICOM modality workplace management broker, and we wanted to make it highly configurable because the requirements for brokers differ from site to site and modality to modality. Basically, we wanted to be able to make changes quickly and easily, and oftentimes after the software is installed. We have been using XML for several projects for configuration and also to do some basic mapping of DICOM messages. If you ever had to write a workplace manager before, you know it's basically a big query into a database and then mapping the DB fields to DICOM elements to be returned to the modality. XML seemed like a perfect fit for this mapping. With that, we could add, modify, delete elements with a text editor instead of having to recompile code. I was sitting in my office working on this one day, and out of the blue it hit me that what we were doing for the workplace manager could be applied to all things DICOM. Many of the characteristics of a workplace broker are fundamental requirements for all DICOM interfaces. One example is managing multiple simultaneous connections. There's also handling cancel requests, logging messages, managing associations. There's a lot of things that can be difficult to program, and they're repeated across many DICOM components. I wanted a solution that would handle these things consistently and reliably and wouldn't have to worry about them. Another thing that occurred to me was that much of what we're doing for the workplace manager applies to a query retrieve server, applies to store of DICOM images. When you look at it from the top of the mountain, all of these common components in DICOM applications are basically doing the same thing. They're mapping DB fields to DICOM elements or vice versa. So I wanted to take the workplace manager to another level and make a single engine that can be used for any DICOM application imaginable.